I have a pot of boiling water here. I have our tube that comes with it. To make that easier for that waste port on that valve down in the basement, take that tube, stick it in about an inch, and you want to let it sit there for 8 to 10 seconds. What that will do is actually soften up that tube so you will get it onto that waste port a lot easier. Then with the other side of the tube, you want a tight fit. So little bit of moisture, and then you'll press that tube on all the way down over that barb. And once you have done that, you can grab your bottle, and it's a half-gallon bottle, and you're ready to drain the inside of your sprinkler system with no mess. Now, it comes with 4 foot of tube. As you can see, this device actually fits multiple different bottles. So the ones you can buy at the store work real nice. 80% of sprinkler systems, this will work. Now, there is a percentile where a full gallon is necessary. So that's a windshield washer bottle. Everybody needs windshield washer fluid, and that's a windshield washer bottle. And 4 foot of tube is not quite long enough for me, so I actually make it a little longer, and I'll show you how I do that, and a little bit of electrical tape, because I do use air to come back into the bottle. I blow air back into the bottle. That's how I get 4 to 5 more done a day. So now, to put those together, you'll take another section of tube, or you could actually just purchase a longer tube for the length you need. Now you can purchase a larger tube, and a little bit of moisture in there will get it in halfway. Then you grab the other side of tube. Same thing, a little bit of moisture, and you press that in. Gravity fed, that is sufficient. That will work. Now, if you use that air, a little bit of electrical tape and so forth, and you might want to boil this in now.